50 years ago, my dad purchased this property. The building at that time was approximately 900 square feet, and over time, to accommodate growth and the opening of new businesses, he continued to expand the footprint with 3 or 4 additions. Our businesses have changed so much over the years, but our core has always remained the same: security and our contact center, and that's what we have here today.
So for our alarm response, it is within seconds, and we do monitor. So I'm checking stats daily on how many seconds is it. If it gets to a certain amount, we do want to make sure that they're not taking 5 minutes to respond to something. So I'm constantly checking those stats. So normally, I'd say within an hour, the operators can do 100 alarms. Within a day, an average day, about 1,200 alarms are handling. Our receivers, which you'll see shortly, do process about 80,000 signals in a day in a 24-hour period.
This space, different from the space that we had in the downtown core, is set up for expansion. We're in our old location. We were pretty much on top of each other, so it was a challenging building to operate out of. It's been up and down, to be totally honest with you. I think I talked a little bit about some of the larger projects that we've been doing for Department of National Defense, and that's been really exciting for us. There's a lot of change happening, particularly in the residential side of things, with all of the DIY and MIY and all of the new players, like the big players such as Google and Amazon, coming into this industry. So it's not that we're not experiencing growth, but we certainly aren't maybe experiencing the growth that we were several years ago. So, but putting strategic plans in place, this being one of them, the facility being one of them, and putting us in a position for growth going forward. I would say probably one of the biggest things we've been talking about, and we're probably going to jump on it here quite quickly, is more video verification. So I know it's been in the industry for some time. We've dabbled with it a little bit, but we haven't really pursued it, aggressively. The one exciting thing that's happening here in the Bay of Quinte region, so we're looking at Belleville, we're looking at Prince Edward County, Quinte West. There's a lot happening around here, and a lot of industry is coming to this particular area, so we see a lot of opportunity. A lot of people moving into the area too from the larger cities.